Hello and welcome to this video. This is an introduction on our hole cutting machine here. Some people call it machine 1. I'll run you through a very basic setup. So this is your cutting machine. It has a forward pulling lever. We also have a 40mm hole cutting die that comes with this. You have a plastic cutting mat which is going to sit on this base here, and you have a tool to increase and lock, increase the tension and lock in the die set. To use this, take your die and you screw that onto the shaft. Once it's screwed in far enough, up here you can turn this washer just until it hits that die. You can take your tool, which does have a little groove in it to sit into that part there, and pull that round, and that will help lock it into place. Now that's all locked, I'm going to take our material, place it underneath the die and just pull towards. And then you have a very clean 40mm hole.